Have you ever wondered how some retirees seem to secure not just their own future, but their family's future too? Meet Robert and Karen in Scottsdale, Arizona. After retiring from careers in aerospace and teaching, they weren't just thinking about travel or golf. They were thinking legacy. After rolling over exactly $546,217 from Robert's 401k into a gold IRA, they're now sleeping better at night. Not just because their wealth is protected from inflation, but because their grandkids' future is too. Now, why would they do this? Because right now, the US economy is flashing red in ways we haven't seen since the 1970s. As of this week, inflation has ticked up again, 3.7% year over year. Meanwhile, bank closures have surged. And with President Trump warning that we're on the verge of the greatest financial reckoning in history, retirees across America are realizing it's not about timing the market. It's about protecting what you already built. So let's talk gold IRAs and why they're fast becoming the smart retiree's secret weapon for legacy planning. Unlike traditional IRAs, a gold IRA isn't just another account. It's a hedge, a fortress. While stocks get hit by volatility and the dollar gets weaker, physical gold doesn't vanish. It holds. Historically, it's been the asset class that weathers war, inflation, and uncertainty better than just about anything. Now here's where it gets powerful. When structured correctly, a gold IRA can be passed down completely tax-free. That's right, zero taxes for your loved ones on what you spent your whole life building. Robert and Karen knew their kids would inherit real estate, but they wanted something safer to balance that out, something timeless. So after reading a free guide, just like the one we're offering you today, they got on a quick, zero-pressure educational call. They learned how to roll over part of their retirement and how that small step could protect their family's legacy for decades to come. And they're not alone. Every week, more and more retirees with over $100,000 in retirement savings are waking up to the risks in today's market and doing something about it. But look, this isn't about fear. It's about freedom. You worked your whole life to build up your retirement. You sacrificed, you saved, you took care of others. Isn't it time your retirement account started taking care of your family in return? You can start where Robert and Karen did, with the free gold IRA guide. It's packed with insights written for everyday Americans. No pressure, no gimmicks, no silver coins or shady sales tactics, just facts. And if you want, you can schedule a quick one-on-one call to get your questions answered and find out if this strategy makes sense for you. No commitments, just education. Because the legacy you leave starts with the decisions you make today. So if you're a retiree with $100,000 or more in a 401k or IRA, click the link, grab the free guide, and take the first step toward protecting your wealth and your legacy for generations to come. Your story can start today, just like Robert and Karen's did.